you how to compute year-to-year change analysis. First, compute the changes amount between year 1 and year 0. Formula is equal year 1, which is 2019, minus year 0, which is 2018. Then equal. Then double click. Same goes to part liabilities and equities. Equal year 1 minus year 0, then enter. Then double click. For the percentage, the formula is equal, open bracket, the changes amount divide by year 0, close bracket, then times with 100. Then we double click. For the liabilities and equities, also use the same formulas, which is changes equal, open bracket, changes divided by 0 times with 100, then double click. For 2018 and 2017, they use the same method. So we move to index number trend analysis. As we know, 2017 is base year, so the index number is 100%. To calculate index number for 2019 and 2018, the formula is current year divided by base year and times with 100. So for 2018, open bracket, equal, open bracket, 2018 divided by base year, which is 2017, and times with 100. Then double click. Same goes to 2019. Equal 2019 divided by base year 2017, close bracket, times with 100, enter. Then double click. Liabilities and equities also using the same formula. Size analysis. All balance sheet items are divided by total assets for assets and total liabilities and equities for liabilities and equities. So let's recalculate. Equal, open bracket, the amount divided by total asset. Make sure to lock the total asset cell. Close the bracket. Times with 100. Then enter. Double click to get the rest answer. Same goes to liabilities and equity. Equal the amounts divided by total liabilities. Don't forget to lock total liabilities cell. Close bracket, times with 100. Enter. Then double click. To find common size analysis for 2018 and 2017, use the same formula.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nu'aimah Syafiqah binti Jalaluddin. Now I'm going to present about the second question. The first situation is about one-way data table, one output. For savings, type 500,000 ringgit, rate of return 3.5%, and the months you need to multiply 10 years with 12 months. So you type 120. So for the first column, type 50,000. Next, type equal and then click this 50,000 and plus 50,000 and enter. Then you double click to copy until C23. D13, the formula will be equal PMT bracket, click rate of return over 12, click months, click savings and enter. Highlight from C13 until D23. Go to data, click what if analysis and then click data table. At the column input cell, click the savings amount, which is 500,000 ringgit. Then you can see the impact of the monthly savings. Second situation is one-way data table, multiple output. Unit price equal to 40 ringgit and the unit cost is 10 ringgit. Fixed cost is 500,000 ringgit and the demand is 10,000 units. For the model, unit price equal 40 ringgit, unit cost equal to D22 and then click enter. Quantity produced equal to 40,000 units. The formula for the variable cost will be equal unit cost multiplied by quantity produced and click enter. Fixed cost is 500,000. Formula to calculate quantity sold equal mean bracket and then you select demand, quantity produced bracket and enter. For revenue, the formula is equal unit price multiplied by quantity sold. In order to calculate the profit, you need to type equal, then click at the revenue, minus variable cost and minus fixed cost. The question asks to determine the number of units sold and profit earned by the company. So adjust 10 equal 10,000 units and enter. Same goes to the profit earns, equal, then click at the profit here and enter. For the first column, type 10,000 units. Next, equal, click 10,000 here, and then plus 5,000 and click enter. Then double click to copy the formula. Highlight from I10 until K19, go to data, and then click what if analysis and click data table. At column input cell, click the demand which is 10,000 units and enter. The company should sell more than 50,000 units of their product if they want to achieve 900,000 ringgit profit with the selling price of 40 ringgit. Situation 3 is about two-way data table with two output. Then the question asks what happened to the profit if unit price and unit cost change. For the unit cost, it varies from 5 ringgit until 25 ringgit. Other than that, the question also states unit price varies from 10 ringgit until 70 ringgit. For the profit, you need to type equal and then click at the profit at D30. After that, highlight from G12 until I19. Go to data, click what if analysis and click the data table. At column input cell, click the unit price, and row input cell, click unit cost. Since it will calculate with the profit, Excel will recognize the number of the unit price with the unit cost. Based on the above table, we can conclude that if the unit cost increase and unit price decrease, the amount of profit will be lower. That's all from us. Thank you.